How to upload videos on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Instagram application and log in with your account details. Then after swipe to the right to go to add to story. Now simply choose the video which you want to upload on your story. You can simply use your finger and drag the size of the video. After that, at the top, click on the sticker option and go to photo. From here, you can choose any photo which you want to upload up on this video. Now that is the first method to upload a video on your Instagram. The second method is to simply go to any one of the editing application first. Click on new project. After that, select the video. Simply drag its size on the screen. Now after that, if you want to include also another video in this collage, simply choose that option of the video. Click on it, swipe to the right and choose the option of overlay. Bring it right below the original video and you can now adjust the size. After you're done editing the collage like this, click on the export option and save this video. After that, you can simply upload it on your Instagram. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.